How to attach the plug kit to Optimyst Linear. If using the plug accessory kit, sold separately, please refer to the instructions in the owner's manual and use this video as a reference. To begin, remove the 3 screws that hold the connector plate, located at the top of the fireplace. Connect the white N wire from the unit to the white wire of the plug kit. Then, connect the green G wire from the fireplace to the green wire from the plug kit. Next, connect the black L1 wire from the fireplace to the black wire of the plug kit. Lastly, connect the red L2 wire from the fireplace to the red wire of the plug kit. Secure the power cord's pre-installed cover plate using the screws removed when removing the connector plate. The previously removed connector plate can be disposed of. Thanks for watching.